video, I'm going to be making marble cake. I'm really excited to make it with you guys, but before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on that post notification so you will of course get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get on with the video. I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that you will need. You will need 175 grams of butter, softened, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 3 large eggs, a zest of orange juice, one orange, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So the equipment that you will need is 20 by 20 centimeters square tin lined with baking paper. You will need a large mixing bowl because you're going to need a whisk. So you will need electric or hand whisk, a large spoon, a sieve, oven gloves, and then of course an apron. So first you've got to do is preheat the oven to 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit or gas for. So I'm going to go and do that. Then you have got to place all the ingredients except cocoa powder into a large mixing bowl. So first I'm going to add is our butter. Then we're going to add the caster sugar. Then we're going to add the flour. Then we're going to add the 3 large eggs. Oh, I don't know, kind of practice. Let's add them in now. And then you are going to add your orange juice. Then you're going to add your orange zest. Make sure to wash your hands beforehand. Now we're going to put this in a whisk until it's mixed and smooth. So I'll be back when it's all mixed. Guys, that did not take long at all. That is what it's probably meant to look like. It's kind of all mixed in now, so I'm just going to mix it a little bit. So now we are going to divide our mixture into 2 halves. So I'm going to put over this. You are going to add 1 tablespoon in each corner. So one there, one there, one there, and one there, and then the chocolate. So yeah, let's add that. You might need like a mini spoon, so let's get that. Just to scrape off the excess. Right, so I've added about half of it. And now we're going to add the cocoa powder. That is what makes it different colour. So yeah, let's mix that up. Right, so that's basically mixed in. Now we're just going to add it in. Give it a second. Kind of will sit in. So guys, I am now going to get a little like a knife or something like this for now, and then we're just going to mix it all in to make a nice pattern, or nice whatever really. try and spread the chocolate round. I've mainly done it so you can see a bit of strands of white, and then you've got the chocolate. So now we're going to leave this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I'll see you when it is all done. Okay guys, it is now out of the oven, and that is what it eventually looks like. There is more chocolate, but there's probably white chocolate underneath. So then you'll have to leave it to cool in here so that it can cool down, I guess. And then you will get it out of that, and you will put it onto a tray or something like that and cut it into 25 square pieces, like that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification so you will, of course, get notified every time I post a video. And hopefully you liked my new intro. My friend Izzy made it for me, so thank you so much. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.